Nagyaya nga muli si Maring Edwin dito sa Uptown Mall, BGC, Taguig. Tara, samahan nyo kami sa pag-iikot.
Morning light shining through. In the kitchen, a brand new view. The aroma of coffee.
Nandito kami sa Uptown Mall at may paparating na bagyo.
Coffee fills the air. With every sip, I feel the care. Let's start the day. The smile is so white. With the warmth of the sun. Enjoy it inside. Housework awaits, but I'm ready to go. With morning light and coffee glow.
Gala kahit may bagyo. Bakla oh.
Dishes are waiting before it needs a sweep. But with this energy, I'll take a leap. Chopping and stirring, the rhythm is sweet. In this cozy kitchen, life feels complete. Let's start the day. The smile is so white, with the warmth of the sun. Enjoy it inside. Housework awaits, but I'm ready to go. With morning.
Pagkatapos ay pumasok kami sa loob ng Uptown Mall para mag-ikot-ikot at kumain na rin ang aming early dinner. Pagkatapos ay lumabas uli kami para makita ang ganda ng mall sa gabi. Pagkatapos ng ilang oras ng pag-iikot dito sa Uptown Mall, it's time for matcha. Tara, let's go! Dito tayo sa Starbucks Coffee sa Sky Garden ng Uptown Mall. Siyempre with my favorite hot matcha latte. Thank you for watching.